Every day on the front line across health and care, people have to make assessments and quick decisions to offer the best of care for that person in front of them. And that's really challenging as a clinician if you don't have that information readily available to you. You need to be able to see that information to make the best decisions.
A local person record exchange service is our regional brand for our shared care record. We are a small shared service that sits in the middle of multiple stakeholders across Lancashire and South Cumbria.
We need to adopt technology and digital solutions for the public and the patients so they can better manage their health and well-being, and the things that we have to do to enable them to do that is for them to be able to see their own health and care record.
We wanted to start looking at sort of elastic storage type capabilities, and when NHS England and NHS Digital started their plan towards cloud native adoption, we jumped straight on the back of that as an ICS to give us the elastic type technologies that we need and the functionality stack that we require across a region. Obviously aligning with a cloud native supplier was part of the journey. Amazon Web Services were chosen.
Being a psychologist, I know that only 10% of digital adoption is down to the stuff itself. 90% is about the people, the communication and understanding what that piece of technology can actually do back in your workplace. The recognition software, for example, that we're exploring to think about how we might have on the record a picture of a person with dementia. And if that person then unfortunately ends up in the back of an ambulance disorientated, we can use that software from the ambulance back to the GP record, understand who that person is and reunite them with their family better.
Things like recognition are things that are really exciting. Taking what is in essence really unstructured data sets, in our world, PDFs with a bit of metadata that sits behind them, and pulling out pertinent and clinical points and decisions so that we can provide our frontline staff with the real information that they need to see. It's about new ways of providing access for our citizens to their data without creating technical boundaries for access to it. And cloud native adoption is the only way to go in that space for us.